What exactly is trading, and how is it different from investing? If you're a beginner, these two ideas can be confusing. In this video, we'll break it down in a simple way. Let's start with investing. Investing means buying an asset and holding it for a long time. This could be months, years, or even decades. Investors focus on long-term growth and fundamentals. For example, buying shares of a strong company and holding them. Now let's talk about trading. Trading focuses on shorter-term price movements. Trades can last minutes, hours, days, or weeks. Traders aim to profit from price changes, not long-term ownership. You don't need to believe in a company to trade it. You only need price movement. Here's a simple example. If you buy a stock at $100 and sell it at $105, that's trading. If you buy that same stock and hold it for years, that's investing. Trading is more active and requires frequent decision-making. Investing is slower and usually less stressful. Both can make money, but they require different mindsets. Trading relies heavily on charts and price action. Investing relies more on company value and future growth. Many beginners think trading is fast and easy money. In reality, trading takes skill, discipline, and risk control. The goal of this course is to teach trading the right way. Step by step, without hype or shortcuts. So remember this key takeaway. Investing is about long-term ownership. Trading is about short-term price movement. In the next video, we'll talk about how traders actually make money. See you there.